How to adjust the microphone sensitivity in Windows 11. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust the microphone sensitivity in Windows 11. But before we go on with this tutorial, please take your time to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I do tutorials like this every week. Okay, so let's go straight to the tutorial. The first thing you want to do is to go to the Settings app. You can access this by clicking the Start menu, and then if you don't have it here, you can search for it on the search bar. And inside the Settings app, you want to go to Sound. And then you want to go down to Input. And then you want to choose your microphone. So let's choose this one. And then you scroll down to Input Settings. And this slider is where you adjust the sensitivity of your mic. If you increase the slider, you will make your microphone louder. If you decrease it, you will make your microphone quieter. Okay, this is it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.